Good day, everyone. I'm Teacher May, and I'm here to teach you about science. Today's topic is all about weathering and soil erosion. Weathering is the physical breakdown and chemical alteration of rocks and minerals at the Earth's surface. Physical disintegration makes the rock particles smaller and loose. The rocks on the surface of the Earth are constantly being broken into smaller pieces. These pieces are carried to other places and are used to build up the surface. We have here the two types of weathering. We have mechanical and chemical weathering. Let's first discuss about mechanical weathering. Mechanical weathering is breaking down by natural or physical processes because of ice, animals, and plant growth. While in our chemical weathering occurs when minerals are chemically changed, causing them to dissolve or change to another mineral through oxidation, acid, or we have water. What is erosion? Erosion is the reduction of exposed landforms. Erosion is defined as the transport and removal of weathered rocks material. Erosion is therefore different from weathering. It can happen only when the process of weathering occurs. It is the carrying of small pieces of broken rocks from one place to another. When the topsoil is washed away, the remaining soil may no longer be fertile. It is also the removal and transport of broken down rock pieces by running water, wind, or glacial ice. Rivers, streams, and falling rain produce the same effect on the soil on the surface of the earth. Soil erosion is the loss of topsoil by carrying it another place. We have here the different agents of soil erosion. First, we have gravity. Erosion moves sediments. The main driving force behind erosion is gravity. Gravity can move sediments by pulling on it directly. Gravity can also move sediments indirectly by acting through agents of soil erosion. We have also running water. Running water can also cause soil erosion. Soil erosion is mainly caused by water. It is most important of all the agents of erosion that carry rock materials to lower levels. Erosion by running water begins with rainfall. Each raindrop that falls on soil moves small rock fragments as it also begins to dissolve some soluble products of weathering. Heavy rain brought about by typhoon and monsoon winds result in large amount of runoff. The spread of water affects how much sediments it can carry. The more sediment a medium carries, the more erosion takes place. Wind causes also soil erosion. Like running water, wind also acts as an agent shaping the surface of the land. It carries different sizes and amounts of sediment. The speed of air affects how much sediments wind can carry. Wind can erode, transport, and deposit materials. However, wind is considerably less efficient than water in modifying the surface. Just like water, wind can carry more sediments if it moves faster. Particles carried by wind differ in size, shape, and density. Glacier is a mass of ice on land that moves under its own weight. It forms gradually from snow, but the quantity of snow needed to form a glacier does not fall in a single winter. Glaciers form in cold climates where some snow and ice persist throughout the year. Glaciers that form at high elevation in mountainous regions are called alpine glaciers, while those that cover a large area of the continent are called continental glaciers. We have also other agents of erosion. Soil erosion in the Philippines is made worse by the people themselves. Many of our activities loosen the soil such that it is easily carried away by water to further expose hard rocks to erosion or to pack the soil. In rural areas, when people need more food for their growing families, they clear pieces of land, burn trees and plants, and convert these areas into a small farm. They plant crops in soil that is not fertile. So after some time, they usually move to another site in the mountain. In the new site, they repeat slashing, burning, and planting crops for their food. These people are called kaingeros. They destroy the natural protectors of the soil. Shifting cultivation or kaingin system is usually engaged in by landless farmers who belong mostly to ethnic or tribal groups who practice upland farming. Uncontrolled grazing of too many animals removes the grass cover and packs of the soil more. A study made on soil in the forest and grazing ranges shows that a 614 kilogram grazing animal, such as carabao, exerts 16.8 Newton per centimeter of pressure in the soil. Wandering animals increase the pressure in the soil 2 to 4 times. So that's all for now. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and God bless.